guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Guys, this is part 2 of our series, our terminology series. We are going to be talking about soil terminology. This is not an all-inclusive list because the terms go on, but I picked most of the terms that I struggled with in the beginning and still struggling with. So I thought I'd go ahead and use these terms for part 2, soil terminology. So before we get into it, guys, come on, guys. You know what we're getting ready to do. We got to get our yard work done. We inside, but we can't have a messy yard outside, guys. If you are not subscribed, go ahead. What are you waiting on? Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my notifications every time I upload another amazing video. So you can garden and grow with me along with my journey. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and share me out. Guys, please connect to me over on my Facebook group, Container Crops on Facebook, so that we can share your successes and help work out problems as well. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's get busy.
Acidity. Soil pH is a measure of acidity or alkalinity. Most plants prefer soil that is slightly acidic. Clay. Soil that contains 50% or more of clay. Clay soil is heavy and drains slowly. Compost. A mixture of decayed plant matter that is used as a soil conditioner, mulch, or fertilizer. Inorganic. A substance derived from non-living material. Loam, rich soil that contains relatively equal parts of sand, silt, and clay. Mulch, material that helps to cool the soil and/or reduce erosion, evaporation, and weeds. Organic, a substance derived from living material. pH, a measure of the soil's acidity or alkalinity. Neutral soil has a pH of 7. Sand, the largest particles of minerals that comprise soil. Silt, medium-sized pieces of minerals that comprise soil, larger than clay and sand. Soil, the layer of material on the Earth's crust. Soil texture, the proportion of clay, silt, and sand in the soil. Sludge, sediment from wastewater, sometimes used as fertilizer. Vermiculite, a light spongy material. It expands and it holds water and air. Waterlogged, soil that is completely saturated with water.
Okay, guys, that does it for us today for our soil terminology. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. All the new subscribers to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome, 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 welcome. I love each and every one of you all. For those of you all who are already subscribed to me, for my channel members, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are helping me continue to do what I do best, or what I'm trying to do best. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and I'll see you on the trail.